Are you having problems with your Roblox getting unknown error and you want to be able to fix that issue? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself, I had the exact same problem before, and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it quite quickly. So what you're going to do actually firstly is to just exit your Roblox app, and instead we're going to go into our settings app. So open up your settings app. And as you can see, we should now be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So now what you're going to do on this page is to just scroll down a little bit until you can see where it says general. So click on general here, scroll down again and click on storage. And as you can see, we should now be taken to this page. Now on this page, just scroll down until you can find the Roblox app in here. So just keep scrolling down. I think it might be here. Yes, you can see Roblox in here. Now click on upload app, and then once again click on upload app in here, as you can see. Then click on the blue button here once again. Now what you're going to do, you're going to wait a couple of seconds for this to actually completely load to the newest version, because you need to be able to do so. As you can see, it says loading here from my app now. And the reason why you need to do this is because if there is a new update for Roblox, you need to make sure that you actually have the newest update. And you will make sure by doing this exact step by step. So just wait for it to completely load right here. Might take a couple of minutes, just so you know. But when it's done, just go back into your Roblox app, and I hope that now it works for you as well.